Racing just is started. We have Kaluguran break quickly to start. Providence in the middle. And on the outside now is Princess Tin. Then comes Incredible Hook. In the middle portion now is Rocking Hill. Sweet Felicia comes next. Reigning Jewel Creative. Then followed now by Purpek, who's racing in last and going along for the person. We have Princess Tina. Says why we follow deep, we can take the lead. Enjoying a length and a half lead. Rocking Hill in second, Providence in third, and in fourth, Sweet Felicia. Then moving up down on the inside, Kaluguran. Moving up now is number 3, Creative, then followed by Incredible Hook. Moving up on the outside is Reigning Jewel, and a long way back to Purpek, who's racing in last. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Princess Tin, enjoying a length and a half lead. Rocking Hill in second, Providence. Reigning Jewel now trying to get closer in fourth, and in fifth, Sweet Felicia. Incredible Look. Down on the inside is Kaluguran. Creative comes next, and a long way back to Purpek, who's still racing in last as they swing for home. Princess Tin enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Providence in second. Down on the inside, Sweet Felicia. Rocking Hill comes next. Last 50 meters, it's all Princess Tin. And finally, the program opener, or number 10, Princess Tin. Then comes 4, Providence. Then Rocking Hill, Sweet Felicia.
Okay, para dito sa ating race number 2, Banderan Tapos, numero G, that's Princess Tin. Ang masasegunda natin, numero 4, Providence. Nakita rin natin yung sa E, Sweet Felicia, at 5 nating si Rocking Hill. Pero balikan natin muna ang nangyari dito sa ating race.